In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Clickfunnels support. If you ever get stuck inside your Clickfunnels account, it's important to know exactly where to go for help so you don't waste time hunting around the dashboard. In this walkthrough, I'll show you, step by step, how to reach the official support team directly from your account. And I'll share a few tips along the way to help you get faster, more accurate answers. First, make sure you're logged into your Clickfunnels dashboard. Once you're on the main screen, look up to the top right corner of the page. There, you'll see a small help icon that looks like a question mark. This is your shortcut to all of Clickfunnels' help resources. Go ahead and click that question mark icon. When you click the help icon, a menu or panel will open. In that panel, you should see an option that says either Get Help or Contact Support. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on updates to the interface, but it will be clearly labeled as the place to go when you need assistance. Click on that option to move to the next step. Now you'll be taken to a help area where Clickfunnels tries to guide you to the right resource. Here, you'll usually see a list of common issues, topics, or categories like billing, funnels not working, account access, and so on. At this point, you want to select the issue that best matches what you're experiencing. If you don't immediately see your problem listed, look for a search bar or text box. You can type your question or describe your issue in a short sentence, such as, "My funnel is not saving changes," or "I can't access my account." Taking a moment to choose the right category or write a clear description helps the system route you to the most appropriate support article or team member. Often, Clickfunnels will first suggest help articles based on what you typed, which can sometimes solve your problem even faster than contacting a person. If you still need more help after reviewing the suggestions, look for the option that says Contact Support, or a chat icon in the corner of the help window. Click that to open a live chat with a support agent or to submit a support ticket. In the chat or ticket form, briefly describe what's happening, mention any error messages, and include relevant details like which funnel or page you're working on. Then send your message, and the Clickfunnels support team will follow up with you directly.